Hello, Antonia. This is Angie. I'd like to show you how to make a configuration file via the software we offered. Here, there you will find two softwares for a different display module in a DVD disk that I sent you with the order. Now, because we want to use this 4.3 inches display, so we open this folder and to find the software installation program. Here is the software installation program. Then you can install the software into the location that you preferred. Now I want to install the software into the folder I opened for the software demo. Now the software is operating the installation. It will need only 1 or 2 minutes. When it's done, you can close the installation program directly. Then you will find the software. Here is the software. You will find the software inside the location you just chosen. Then after open the software, you will find there's a blue house icon. This blue house icon is the program of the software. Now before we started to use the software, we can copy all the other files that I make and I saved in a DVD disk together to you. For you can program the files, you can load the files that I make for the sample order, and you can do some changes directly from that layout. Now we have to copy these two files into the software folder directly. These two files has different purpose. This one, bin file, is the configuration file of the layout, and the QL3 file is the recording file of the layout. And these two folders file are all the background images that I used for the layout. So we have to copy these three folders into the software. Then when we open this QL3 file, then we can have all the image files that I put for the sample order layout. Now we open this program to open the software. After the software be opened, we put load to open the programming file, open the recording file. Then this is the format. This is the layout format I make for the sample order. It's also the content that's in your display, in the display you have on hand. So you can make some changes from this file directly. For example, if we want to change the flower font to other, we just need to clear, and we can choose the font to other color also. Then you will see the color has been changed and the flower font be changed. And for example, we can close the time and the date, and we can change the vertical background to other picture also. We can double click the picture directly to change to different picture. You can see the picture has been changed. We can change both the portrait, vertical picture or the horizontal picture together. Like this way, we can change the picture directly. Different picture has been changed. Then we can change the layout angle. The layout first is the 0 degree. Layout second is the 90 degree. Layout third is the 180 degree. Layout 4 is the 270 degree. And you can change the picture. The pictures display the time via here. If we change from 8 to 10, that means each picture will be displayed on 10 seconds. Okay, now we go to the next step. Here you can program the flower code. This code table is the hex code. Then you can type the flower number directly on the white column here. For example, if I type B, then it means when the display receives the code, when the display receives the hex code 01, then it will show flower B. Then if I change here to G flower, then it means if the display receives hex code 2, then it will show G flower. Then I can change other flowers also in the same way. By just typing the numbers directly will be good. Then it's for the emergency message setting. When you want to show fire, you can choose which input it will be used for the fire. For example, I can change to 9. Then it means when the 9 inputs receive the signal, it will show fire message. It will show fire. You can reference to the picture that I sent to you. There will be total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Will be 7 inputs for the emergency message. So you can set 7 different emergency message here. For example, if you want earthquake, you can choose earthquake to be triggered on the input 6. That means when the 6 inputs here, when the 6 inputs receive the signal, then the display will show earthquake, will show this message. Okay, now we back to the flower code for a little bit. I forgot to tell you that you can open the code table that I put in the envelope with the code together. Here, you can refer to the code table here. This code table is for the 6-bit binary code. That means when you put the first flower in the hex code here, in the hex code 01 position, here hex code 01 position, then it means when the 0 inputs receive signal. 1 means active, means signal received. So that means when the 0 inputs be active, then the display will show first flower. Here, if I put first here, that's the same. This is the same as the flower code. As this flower code, 1 for hex code 1, 0 inputs be active, then the display will show first flower. First flower. Okay. Then we can go to the last page. Last page is that you can program different object position by programming the coordinate. Okay, suppose we don't want to change anything now. And with this function, the user can have a lot of freedom on the layout programming. Now suppose we have done all the programming of this layout. Then we have to choose which disk name is the one of the micro SD card. I have sent you a micro SD card also with the order because you have to upload the file via the micro SD card onto the display. Now we can check the micro SD card's name by go to my computer. Here is the folder of my computer. Then you can check this one and this one all has the possibility, but because this one is a USB flash drive and this one is that I put the micro SD card inside a USB transforming device. So this is the one. Disk G is the one that I have to choose for saving my configuration file. And when I push the build and copy button, I can save a recording file. I can save another recording file for this programming. Normally, we will suggest you can save by different date, or you can save by your own way. Then we can save the file. Then the software will automatically generate the configuration file. Like here, when it says build and copy finish, you can go to your micro SD card here to check if the file changed to the name you have just made. And this bin file is the configuration file that you have to upload onto the display. Okay, that's all. And if you have any further question, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.